I've ordered iPhone 11 renewed on the Amazon. Received a normal box. I don't have it with me right now, but this is just a normal box and does not come with the original box of Apple. There's this cable, lightning cable, and you have a charger, a small charger, not very fast. Now this is a cable, lightning cable, as normal, USB-A to lightning. And you can see as well the charger. Now let's have a look at the phone and the condition of this phone. Now let's have a look at the phone. And you can see here, this is a black one as well. And I don't see any big scratches or anything obvious here. And then on the sides, everything looks okay. Maybe a little bit, I feel like some here happening. It doesn't show on the camera. But screen look okay. There's a screen protector installed in this setup here. And the phone condition looks good. Let's turn it on and see if everything is working. Now we turn on the phone and see the condition and any problem with it. You can see the screen is like okay, let's very fast. Now after turning on the phone, you can see the settings and maybe you can go and check. Let's go and have a look at the battery, the health, and the capacity about 87%. It's been used for some time. That's fine. You can do a test is like the camera. Look at the camera and check it's working, everything working. You can see the 4K. It's working here, 60 frame maybe. Camera is working here. I can see the lenses, the wide. Mostly you can see all these options of creating a portrait. And this is mostly you can check all the settings of the phone and how much time, maybe something wrong, maybe in the hardware, and that we can find out after. I'll try and test the phone for some time and give you back another video to see if it's actually everything okay. But this is as a first impression, the phone looks cool and good, mint condition, and it's running fine. It's no problems. I don't see any issues with the screen or cameras or body scratches and all that. I have this phone now for about, this is second day. I charged it first time to 86%, now about 43 or 42%. Now to check the hardware, if you don't have a chance to spend more time, you want to check it, if something wrong with it and you can return it, go to the App Store and go download a phone Doctor Plus. This will do a series of checks and we'll see if anything on the hardware is not working. So on this way you can return it if you have the chance to do it. After I log in and done the test on this device, you can see general information about the battery remaining and storage and all that. Yeah, I've done the test on general. All this with blue line is marks as actually works fine, successful. On red, I'm not able to test the NFC. Data cellular network is not working. I'm not sure what is problem. It may be with my line or something wrong with the device. I'll test it later and see what is a problem. Earphone, I don't have it, so it didn't come with the earphones, so I'm not able to test it. You can have a professional test also, but you need to log into this website or this software to continue doing this more deep test on this. But in general, the phone works fine. There's some replacement, I think, on this phone, but until now it's working fine for me. On the settings also, I found out some important message. If I go to, as you can see here, there's important message, display message. It's mentioned the unknown part, and this is determine if your phone display is a genuine Apple part or not. This could be because if it's not genuine and is not functioning as expected, or its installation is incomplete. So on this way, Apple itself software is detecting any part of your phone is being replaced with ungenuine or non-genuine parts, or not even connected. Installation was not correct on this device. Now, one of the indication maybe this is not original screen. You can go to the brightness, and you can see here there's two options here, which is dark mode and there's the night shift, and normally there's a third option called true tone, should be here. This could be maybe the screen is actually original, maybe it's the information or setting is not moved to the new one. Oh, actually this is not an original screen. So who normally move the screens? Now go to settings and go to about, general about. You can see here the serial number, now that, and you can see the display is unknown part. If it's actually original from Apple, which will genuine part of Apple. So this could be maybe, as we said, the only one who can actually replace original parts is Apple or any authorized dealer from Apple. Other than that, maybe they cannot actually pass this information to the new screen. And it could be a fake screen or it could be any generic screen being installed in your phone. So just make sure to check all these details when you get in your phone.
This is the first impression of buying an iPhone 11 from Amazon as a new one. This is just was a first impression and overview of the whole package and some tests we have done on this video. We'll do a full review on this phone, and is it worth it to buy iPhone 11 in 2024? With the new ones is coming out of 16 maybe by September or October, and we'll see if it's worth it or not. And in case if you're considering buying an iPhone, if you're new to iPhone or you already have an old iPhone like a 7 or 6, all that. So we'll see on the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.